I don't have to tell you how common bruxism is in your dental practice, and it's the most ridiculous condition to treat. It's not preventable. Patients need to be educated and have treatment before it's too late, or they destroy themselves. You know it. Tests are now available, and you may not know this, to measure the intensity and frequency of bruxism and differentiate between grinding and clenching. Can you do that scientifically? I couldn't. I can now. Watch this video. Effects of bruxism are preventable. Bruxism itself isn't, but what bruxism has done to people, or will do to people, is indeed preventable. Splints are useful in slowing tooth and restoration wear. You'll enjoy this video, and I assure you it will change your behavior.